with Dr. Kizza Besigye and other political prisoners and prisoners of conscience who are still being held illegally in prison even after the pronouncement of the Supreme Court. We are gravely concerned by the deteriorating health of Dr. Kizza Besigye, and we are also informed that there are other prisoners that are in a similar condition. We appreciate all Ugandans that have shown concern, and many of them are practically and verbally standing in solidarity with Dr. Kizza Besigye and all other political prisoners. Together, we are issuing a 48-hour ultimatum to the regime to release Dr. Kizza Besigye and other political prisoners in compliance of the Supreme Court ruling. If not, we shall announce a series of national actions to rise up, for people to rise up and end this impunity. We thank you very much, and we call upon all Ugandans to join us in standing in solidarity, not only with Dr. Kizza Besigye, but with other prisoners of conscience that are still illegally held in prison. Uganda,